guys, my name is Kevin Sesford, and today we're going to compare the Hoover High Performance Swivel XL Pet Vacuum Cleaner with the Bissell Powerlifter Pets. So, first, the Hoover High Performance. Here we go. It picks up a little bit of dirt. It's pretty good. Ship power. So let's wind up a cord for the next. This vacuum cleaner looks pretty cool. And now, for Bissell Powerlifter Pet. As you can see, the Hoover High Performance Swivel XL Pet Cleaner picks up a little bit of dirt, it's pretty good. But with the Bissell Powerlifter Pet, it picks up so much dirt. With the Bissell Powerlifter Pet, you could use that at home. You could get outstanding carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. So, thanks for watching. If you want to see more vacuum cleaners comparison videos, be sure to give a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you next video. So, if you'll excuse me, I got some cleaning to do.